Okay, so to preface, this video is kind of all over the place. But hi guys, it's me, Kia, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my second, I guess, room transformation. I will have my first room transformation video linked down below, but this is how my room kind of ended up at the end of that. It looks pretty tragic, but anyways, moving on. Here I am. I had this dresser in my closet. This is actually my childhood dresser, and I had it in my closet for years, but then I moved it out and I decided that I'm gonna paint it. Here I'm a bit distracted, so let me get back to it. But yes, I decided that I'm going to paint this dresser, and I moved the cube organizers to the other side of the room, which you guys will see later on in the video. But here I was like testing out the paint to see how it would hold up on the dresser. You guys are gonna think this is literally so ghetto, but I genuinely painted my dresser with literally regular like craft paint, like literally acrylic paint from Walmart. I literally hand painted it, which you can see here. So I did that in order to make it white to match the rest of my room. This took quite a long time, and also I have a little secret to tell you guys. You see how I'm painting the side of this? The other side of it, the right side, I actually did not paint because I think I ran out of paint, and also it was just taking so long. I was like, whatever, it's next to the wall, you can't see it anyway. So if you were to move it, you would see that the other side is brown. So here I am painting the top of the dresser. I actually had no pants on in this clip, even though I was literally recording this for my video. I guess decided to wear no effing pants, so that's why the blur is there. But yeah, I'm just hand painting the entire thing. It took me literally like hours, but it was worth it. You'll see. Okay, so I let it dry, and then I'm putting the handles back on, and I love the way that it turned out. It's really so nice. Literally a free dresser. Like, I was so satisfied with this. Okay, then I kind of started to try to put stuff back and kind of see how I wanted to decorate everything, and all this moving my stuff around made my room literally look insane, which you'll see in the next clip. My room is like trashed. No. Wanna let you know. Beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of a room update because it is different from the last time you guys have seen it. So basically, starting from the door, it has the portals poster and then these two next to it. I did move the mirror that was right here to over here in the corner, so now it's like that. So starting from the right and panning around, basically it's dirty obviously, but like, you know, here's the poster set up right now. I think that's cute. And then going around, there's some stuff on the bed too that's not supposed to be there, but like, just bear with me. And yes, so this is my current room. It's not much different from my last tour, but it is a little bit altered. I'm considering removing the vines because they're not my favorite thing. I did get LED lights that I'm gonna put up, but I'm not sure. And then I'm getting a bigger desk, but it hasn't come yet, so it's gonna be like bigger. This one's 32 inches, my new one's 44, so it's much bigger. It's gonna fill the space in more, so just trust the process. My old chair broke, and I finally got a new fan, finally. But my old chair broke, so I have a new one in this box that I'm about to unbox. And yeah, you guys, I started opening the chair, but I'm literally so happy to find out that it's made of leather. It's like a faux leather. It's not furry, which I'm actually really happy about, because if it was furry, like, it would be harder to clean, but since it's leather, you can literally just wipe it off. I am so excited to set this up. Okay, so after I did that stuff, I got LED lights and I started putting them up in the room. You can see my mom just walked in, but yeah, it took me a minute because I had to take this tiny ass stool and like move it around each time around like the entire room, and it was like yeah, it took actually forever, but I think it was worth it. I love my LEDs now so much. Okay guys, so I got this little pink flowers around my mirror, and I like it so much more. And now I'm working on adding some more pink hearts, and I think I'm gonna take down all the vines of my room. Here are just kind of some of like the vines so you can like see everything basically. I'm gonna take all of them down, and then I don't think I have enough hearts right now, but I'm gonna try to put some hearts instead so everything is more pink. Guys, so a little update. I took down the vines up until here. I might do like a little like vine around my door thing, just cause like I have my portals poster, and I'm gonna go to the trilogy tour, so I have a trilogy tour poster which I'll probably put on my door too. But like I feel like if I put little vines around my door deal, it might be cute, but I don't know if I'm actually gonna do that though. But I'm taking down the vines in the rest of the room for sure. I already took them down in this area and it looks so much cleaner, and I took them down over here as well, and yeah. Okay, so I think I forgot to record this part, but I also got pink flowers and put them all the way around my room, and then I cut out new posters and then was gonna put them up too. Okay guys, it took me like an hour to finish cutting out the posters and assembling them and everything. So basically here was my plan. I wanted to replace those two and take down this and take down the tote bag, basically change everything around. I printed out and assembled this sweet piano poster, which I was hoping to be pink, and it looks honestly white, which I'm a little bit sad about, but I'm still gonna try to make it work. And then I have this one with sweet piano and my melody, which turned out perfectly. And then I just have two small ones, a little Hello Kitty and a maid outfit, and then little twin star, and then Kitty and Melody. So I'm gonna put those up now. Also, I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but I put flower vines going around my room, but I didn't show yet because I need to buy two more because it wasn't enough to go all the way, but just know that I did that. So yeah, I'm gonna start over here and just take down the tote bag and put up the poster, and I'm fingers crossed it will look good. So for the poster moving around process, I kind of had to like toy with everything until I like was satisfied with it. I moved everything around like 10 times, and even after the video I ended up moving some of the stuff again, so yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna not replace these, but I'm gonna make these little cubbies white because I just would prefer, and it being brown has been bothering me for a long time. So what I'm gonna do is, I have a bunch of cardboard. I'm gonna cut out pieces big enough for these, and then I'm actually just gonna cover them in white fabric and then make little handles, attach those onto the little fabric, onto the little like cardboard square, and then glue it over this, so I don't have to buy 10 new cubbies. Okay, so that was basically like the last thing I did, and I'll give you guys a sneak peek of how my room turned out. I didn't want to make the video too long, so I do have a separate room tour that will be in the description box below. And yeah, that's it for my room makeover. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something.